Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Hyundai Tucson SE all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 2.0-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black. It looks great. You do have your Hyundai badging up front there, as well as your projector-style headlights there, and your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with our Hankook brand tires. They look great. Lots of tread left on them as well. You do have your heated exterior mirrors there with the turning signal, as well as you do have your blind spot detection on there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we do have the all-wheel drive Tucson and the Hyundai badging. You can open it up just like this. Looks great back here. Lots of room as well. You can lift this guy up and you do have some room just under there, and you do have some extra room on the sides there as well. Okay, we have our keys here. We got the lock, we got the unlock, we have that one to open up the back, and that one for our panic. Now, if we unlock, we can take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of a handle here, and some storage down here with a water bottle holder. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very comfortable as well, very nice to sit on. You also have your controls over your seats right here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And then up here we do have the controls over the in-cabin lights. We have our blind spot detection there. We also have our traction control. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals. We also have our high beams, and we do have our lights, or auto or off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. In the center there we also have our speedometer, and we can also change that around to our what radio station we're on, the service. We also have our settings, and then back to there we can switch that around a bit to our range, our trip, A and B. We also have back to there. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel. You do have your Bluetooth options right here with the mode and the volume up and down the selector, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right over here with the button that does change the guy in the middle. And then you do have your windshield wipers right there. In the center you do have your 5-inch touchscreen display right there. So you do have a CD player up here. You have all your different presets there. You have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all there. You have your media if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth or aux cord or USB. You also have your clock. You have your cat and folder. You also have your seek options, your phone, your scan. I do have your setup as well, volume up and down, and your selector just over there. Then down here we do have our climate control, so heat up and down is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have your off, you have the power up and down for your climate. You got the mode, the AC, heated seats, as well as you do have your heated steering wheel right there, your front and rear defrost, circulation, and your heated seat for your passenger. Down there we do have our aux cord and USB plug-in, as well as some plug-ins right there, some storage, and we got our gear shift right here. When you are in reverse, you got that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. Cup holders here, a little bit of storage, as well as you can change the drive mode and all those guys there. You also have some storage just in here. You can move that guy out of the way, and then you got even more if you did need it. Then over here we do have our glove box with our owner's manual inside of it, and up top we do have our lights. We have the control over the sunroof. We do have our sunglass holder right there, and our sunroof looks great. It is a dual pane, lets in tons and tons of light. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you do have the same look for your handle. You have the controls over your windows. You have your heated seats in the back, handle, and some storage down there. Looks great back here. Leather as well, very comfortable. You can fold this down. You do have an armrest with some cup holders if you did need it, and then you can also pull this guy right here and fold those seats forward if you did want. Then you got even more room to store stuff. And there's our 2.0-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around review of the 2017 Hyundai Tucson SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or ticket for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.